How often in the morning we wake up and peep right into the phone? First thing, check the WhatsApp status, video forwards, social media handles, and before we know it, the entire day has been hijacked. The ideal morning routine is one where we deal with our thoughts and emotions by deleting the negative thoughts and emotions and installing higher frequency thoughts like gratitude, self-love. An ideal morning routine is one where we know for sure the top 3 items that need to be achieved during the day. It is only when we've done the morning routine that we can take charge of the day. Shrophism for you, Daily DHI 10, mental.